Guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to kind of recreate a look that I did about a month ago that everybody really seemed to enjoy. I recorded it on stream then, but I don't have the VOD to make it into a video. So I kind of recreated that. This is the finished look. I had a lot of fun. I love these colors that I did with my eyes. This is probably one of my favorite personal looks. I like it a lot. I know it's really different from what you guys have seen on my channel so far, but please let me know if you like it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Yeah, let's get started, guys. Good luck, have fun. I'm gonna start by priming my face today with Milani Prime Correct. Diffuse some of the colors in my face. Minimize all of these huge pores that I have on my nose, on my cheeks. Next for foundation, I'm going to use my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in 2A Creamy Natural. This is a really full coverage foundation. I use this so much. Finally got a new one because I completely ran out during my last video. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm gonna put that on a damp beauty blender. Next for concealer, I'm going to use my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 concealer in 120 Light Vanilla. Got almost out of this too. For my contour today, I'm going to be using bronzer. I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Radiance Brick in 02 Medium. I like this because it's really buildable. I use this bronzer and contour on my entire face on a normal face. Something with contour, you always want to get more upwards in your face. There's a line where you don't want you don't want anything below your cheekbone. The further up on your cheekbone, the better it'll look and the higher your cheekbones will look. I'm gonna go ahead and use that same product with a larger, very fluffy brush to contour and bronze my forehead, under my chin, a little bit more on my cheeks. On my forehead, I contour really darkly and I make it go further down than I probably should. That is because I wear wigs, so my natural hairline is obviously here. So I'm gonna bring my hairline up to about here when I put on my wig. That's why I go so far down with my with the contour, my what is this, forehead. Continuing with my face, I'm going to use this Trip for Two blush and bronzer duo by Wonder Beauty. I'm going to use the blush in Daiquiri. This is really super pigmented, so be careful. I'll just dab it on there, but a lot still comes out. It's crazy. I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows next. I'm gonna save my highlight for last because after I do my eyeshadow, I'm gonna have to probably do a little bit more concealer and get rid of the fallout from the shadow anyways. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in black brown today. If this is the first time you watch me, this is the most amazing brow pencil you'll ever use, I swear. I swear, I swear. The tip is so little, so precise. I love it. Next, in preparation for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Milani eyeshadow primer. I put a little bit on my finger. I put it all the way up, almost touching my brow. A little bit in the corners of my eye. This will make your eyeshadow stick better, stick longer, and in turn it'll look more vibrant. Okay, for eyeshadows, I'm going to use my two favorite palettes today. The first palette I'm going to use is NYX Mystic Petals in Midnight Orchid. I love this palette. I love this palette so much. These two purples, right here and right here, they're so pretty. They change colors depending on which way you look at them. It's really, really cool. I love it so much. And I'm going to be using my Morphe 35I ICY Fantasy palette. Alright, first I'm going to take this fluffy little shader brush. And I'm going to use this lighter color in the NYX palette. Right there. And I'm going to do it all over my eyelid and in the upper part of my eye. I need to figure out what people call this. All the way up to my brow almost. Look at how pretty this is. I love this color so much. It's so shiny. Next, I'm going to use this darker purple right here. I'm going the outer edges and in my crease. Also going to take this and go under my eye a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take this color right here in the Morphe 35I ICY Fantasy palette. It's called Cold Snap. I'm going to use this color and this color, these color blues first, and then I'm probably going to use Spellbinding up here at the top too. Put it underneath my eyes to kind of like blend the same as the top. I love it. It's so pretty. These colors actually go so well together, a lot better than I thought. I'm going to use this purple right now on the Morphe 35i palette. It's called Dreamer. Just on the outer edges of my lids. I'm going to blend this blue into this pink. I'm going to blend upwards with a clean brush. I'm not touching what's actually on my lid. Just the colors that we went up on the brown bone with. It kind of reminds me of when you have like this candy jawbreakers. When you have a jawbreaker and you kind of bite into it and it's like rings of different color. It's kind of what my eyes remind me of. Okay, I'm going to use this fluffy fluffy little angled brush with this top color, Spellbinding. I'm going to use this color. It's a very it is a very glittery kind of metallic purple. There. I'm going to use that upwards towards my brow bone to kind of highlight under my brow bone and in the corners of my eyes. These colors turned out really pretty. I really like them. Okay, these are my favorite palettes. I love them so much. They go so well together too. Again, they were the Morphe 35I and ICY 35I palette, Icy Fantasy, and the NYX Mystic Petals palette in Midnight Orchid. They're my favorite. I love them. Okay. Feeling very colorful today, obviously. So I'm going to stop hitting my microphone. I'm going to use this this really weird, I got it off of Amazon. I'm not really sure about this brand, but it's blue, light baby blue eyeliner. I got it in like a pack of like probably like 20 different colors. I'm going to use it on the bottoms of my eye, like right along my waterline. Now for liner. I am still using this Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner in Black is Black. I will never stop using this. This is my favorite. I've used this since middle school. I'm going to use this flat, but it's also kind of fluffy brush to contour my nose. I'm using my, the same thing I used to highlight or contour my face, my Rimmel London Radiance Brick. For highlighter, I'm still using this Wet n Wild pressed, or this Wet n Wild loose powder highlighter in 396A. I'm so lit. I love this stuff still. I really didn't think I was gonna like it going in. For my nose, I'm just taking my finger and tapping the lid. This stuff is incredibly pigmented. So you really don't need that much at all. I feel like this stuff is gonna last me for like 12 years. I'm going to take this thinner fan brush. I'm going to use this lighter color of this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette in light. I'm going to use this on the insides of my cheeks where I put concealer and around my nose because it's a little bit too dark. I'll blend everything out. Mascara, Grande Drama, Intense Thickening Mascara. We like them thick, dude. For lashes, I use these a lot daily. I got these off of Amazon. I'll link these in the description, but I like these a lot. These are what I'm going to be using for lashes today. And for lash glue. I'm going to be using Duo and Dark. And let that dry. Get a little bit, not dry, but get a little bit like tacky before you put it on your eyelids, because it'll just be a complete mess if you try to do it when your lashes are still wet. Wake up. I need to do lips. I'm going to use my NYX Sandstorm. Going just underneath my lower lip to make it look a little pouty. I think I'm just gonna go in with a clear, semi-clear gloss with the lip liner today. I'm gonna use this. This is the same brand as the colored eyeliners that I have, but this is like a really metallic pink. So I haven't used this yet. So let me see. Setting spray will be Milani Make It Last. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I know it's a little bit more colorful and playful than you've seen me do on my channel, but I do really like doing these really colorful looks. I wear these a lot on stream, along with a lot of really out there kind of like stage makeup, you know, but it is a lot of fun to me. Please let me know in the comments if these bright colored looks are something you would enjoy. I do want to go more in depth and do like kind of like makeup 101 videos too, because you guys have asked how to do specific things, or you know, stuff like this. So I'm gonna go in depth with you guys and do like a smaller series with like basic makeup things, if that's something you guys would like. But yeah, please let me know in the comments what you think of this look, what you would like to see me do next. I guess just if you enjoy these bright colored looks. But yeah, everything I used will be listed in the description if you would like to like a link to the palettes or anything that I used. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all of the support so far. I am extremely grateful. Yeah, be sure, if you like this, be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I guess leave a thumbs down. But leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. Visit my other social medias, twitter.com/lichlings, instagram.com/lichlings, and twitch.tv/lichlings if you want to see my live streams, me playing World of Warcraft Classic or whatever I might be playing at the time. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.